Hello, in this video I will show you how to do phone setup on DOOGEE DK10. So you have to start by clicking start. And now you can connect to your Wi-Fi network. Now you can click don't copy. Now you can enter your pattern. And now you can sign in into your Google account, or you can click skip. And click skip again. And now scroll down and click accept. Now you have to choose your search engine and then click next. And here you can set up PIN, or you can click skip and then click skip again. And now your phone is set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.